Echo 12 requesting push and set. And a push by push, 0. Go ahead, KLMA 36. We are Delta 46 and we have the AVA time is 1735. KLMA 36. Yes, we know 1735. The confirm push take approval facing south. Roger, KLMA 36.
Cabin crew, please arm all doors and cross check and stand by for safety demonstration. Thank you. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, your safety is our priority. As Scoot, we are committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we need to show you the safety features of this Scoot Boeing 777 aircraft, even if you have heard this many times before. This information can help you in the unlikely event of an emergency. Seatbelt. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle like this until it clicks and adjust the strap by pulling the end so that it is low and tight across your leg. To release, leave this catch. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened anytime during the flight, even if the seatbelt sign is switched off in case of turbulence. Life vest. Should we land on water in an emergency, life vests are under your seat. After removing the cover, slip the life vest over your head. Bring the waist strap around your waist, connect the clip like this, and pull the strap to tighten. Please inflate your life vest only at the exit. To inflate, pull the red tab firmly downwards. So inflate it further, blow into these tubes. There's a light that will activate automatically in the water and a whistle for attracting attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. Oxygen mask. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above. Pull the mask down towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and adjust the strap. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not fully inflate. Be sure to fit your own mask before helping others. Emergency exits. Please note where the emergency exits are located on this airplane. The nearest exit may be behind you. If an evacuation is necessary, do not take your belongings with you. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the low level lights to the exit. The safety information leaflet in your seat pocket contains additional information. Please read it carefully. We are just about ready to scoot, but before we do, ensure your seat is upright, tray tables secured and window shades open. All exit, out and bulkhead areas must be kept clear. Carry-on items must be stored in the compartment above or under the seat in front of you. All mobile phones and other electronic transmitting devices should already be switched off. and smoking is not allowed on any Scoot flight. Every toilet on this airplane is fitted with a smoke detector. As your safety is our priority, please for their final check. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy your flight. Hong Kong. Thank you.
各位乘客，以上是空服员所为您示范安全带、救生衣和氧气面罩的使用方法，以及紧急出口的所在处。在您就座时，请随时扣好您的安全带，以防遇上突发气流。只需将扣把向外一拨即可。救生衣就在您的座椅上方，取出，由头套下并拉紧。救生衣上有2个红灯和2个红灯，救生衣膨胀。另外，救生衣上附有哨子和照明灯，以便引起他人的注意。请您在即将离开紧急出口处时，才将救生衣充气。当机舱需要时，氧气面罩会自动落下，请您先拉下面罩并罩在鼻子与嘴部，保持冷静，以正常呼吸，然后再协助他人。飞机的两旁共设有8个紧急出口，这些紧急出口都有明显的标志。在疏散时，请勿携带手提行李。面上的指示灯到达紧急出口。安全须知卡就在您的座椅。起飞前仔细阅读，如有疑问，欢迎您向空服员询问。我们再次提醒您，本航班全面禁烟，在洗手间内吸烟将会触起飞，请再次确定您已扣好安全带。把车窗板完全打开，手机电话以及所有的电子配备必须处于关机状态。谢谢。
1 minute, Scooter 220. And Scooter 220, we are ready. Roger, call for takeoff, runway 02, center, call you rolling, Scooter 220.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be turning off the cabin light for takeoff. If you'd like to continue reading, the light switch is on the side of the armrest. Thank you.
各位乘客，我们即将调暗机舱内的灯光。如果您想继续阅读，阅读灯的开关器就在您的座位扶手旁。谢谢。
Cabin crew, takeoff station, please, thank you.
CV or CC 啊？
Singapore, approach identify climb to 6,000, then left to Aku. Roger, climb 6,000 feet, then left to Akuma, Scooter 220. 2490, 0175, 2990.